Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am Farjan Akhtar Munmun, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take English literature class of class 4. And today our topic is rearranging. Our lecture number is 20. Now let's start. So at first, I hope you have this rearranged in your sheet. So we will practice from the sheet. We have today 7 rearrange. At first we will see our number 1 sentence. You can see a voice wrecked ship his was in a sea. This line is taken from our story, The Footprint. That means our story from Robinson Crusoe. You know the story, so you can do this easily. You know, Robinson Crusoe was taken shelter in an island when he was faced a shipwreck. So our sentence will be his. Our subject is here his. So it will be easy if you give tick mark the word you have taken. So his, because it is the first letter, that then it will be capital letter. His sheep. His sheep, then his sheep was, you know, his sheep was, then wrecked, in, then a sea voice. So you know the sentence, his ship was wrecked in a sea voice. Our answer is this line. Then number 2, gone by years elephant had. This is also taken from The Footprint. That means Robinson Crusoe's story. Our first letter you will have to find out the first word, elephant. Elephant years, then had, auxiliary verb, then verb gone, then by. Elephant years had gone by. This is our answer. Then number 3, cite a funny would be I what. This is an exclamatory sentence and it is also taken from The Footprint story. So from an exclamatory sentence, you know what will be first. Question, what? Always remember, you will have to write the answer in, start with capital letter. What a funny sight I would be. Then exclamatory sign. I would be, he is talking about himself when he was dreamed of that he was walking in the London street with his goatskin dress. Then he talked about this line, what a funny sight I would be. Then number 4, a lie the telling omen is. You know the story, the wisdom of King Solomon. This sentence is taken from this story and our answer will be the omen, the subject, the omen, then verb, to be verb is, then main verb, telling, then a lie. The omen is telling a lie. Then number 5, the child real, she mother is of the living the. Again, this sentence also taken from the story of wisdom of King Solomon about this real mother. and our sentence will begin with subject she. Is a pronoun she is the real mother of the living child. So our answer is she is the real mother of the living child. Then again number 6, go me let. Here this is operative sentence and you will have to start with let. Let me go. Very easy. Then number 7, a trap lion in the was. So our answer will be start with the lion. This is our subject, the lion. Was, our verb was, to be verb was, in a, in, then a trap. So you can see the first one is his sheep was wrecked in a sea voyage. Second one is number 2, 11 years had gone by. Number 3, what a funny sight I would be. Number 4, the woman is telling a lie. Number 5, she is the real mother of the living child. Number 6, let me go. Number 7, the lion was in a trap. This is all for today. We'll do our next other rearranges in our next class. So till for this, Allah Hafiz.